I'm going to teach you how to divide fractions. First, you need a word problem, which you have here. For example, there are 4 donuts. Each student gets 2/3 of a donut. How many students are there? Okay, so we have 4 donuts, and each student gets like 2/3 of a donut. We need to know how many students there are. So we have 4 donuts, and we need to divide it by 2/3, which is the number, like the 2/3 is the piece, like each student gets 2/3 of a donut, and we need to know the number of students who actually ate the donuts. Now let's follow this. So we have 4 donuts, and we need to divide them by thirds, right? So we're gonna cut each one into thirds, and we need to group them into like 2/3. So we're gonna color 1 and 2, and that is one group, right? And then we're gonna color another group, which is the second group. And then we're gonna color another group, which is the third group, and like this will continue. So now we have the 5th group, and then we have the 6th group. So now we have 6 students because each student ate 2/3. This is how you model it. And so now we know that the number of students is 6. So we now know that there are 6 students. But now let's try also like seeing the equation. So we have 4/1, which is like 4 divided by 2/3. And you can just do 4/1 times 3/2. You just switch the places. See? This got switched and this got switched. So now let's get off the line that actually divides these numbers. And so we do 4 times 3, it's 12. And 1 times 2, that's 2. So we now have 12/2. We need to know how many times the 12 go into 2. So let's see. 2 is 1. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So it goes 6 times. 12 goes into 2 6 times. So now we get back to the idea that the number of students is 6 again. So the number of students that ate the donuts is 6. There were 6 students who ate the donuts. The end. Thank you for listening. I had a great time.